Hello everyone. Hope you are all doing good. So today we are here for grade 3 maths. The chapter name today we discuss that is addition, and the lessons today we discuss that is addition to numbers up to 3 digits, addition input output tables up to 3 digits, add two numbers up to 3 digits one problem, complete the addition sentences up to 3 digits, and balance addition equation up to 3 digits. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and passwords that are provided by the administrator. Go to the subject tab, select maths from there, and then scroll down for grade 3 maths. Here are the list of the chapters. So today we covered addition. So here are the lessons related to addition. So let's get start the first one. So addition to numbers up to 3 digits. Addition to numbers up to 3 digits. Okay, I'm just checking my mic. All right, so let's get start. So add two numbers up to 3 digits. If I'm going to write it down here, for example, I'm just going to write down. So here let me write some numbers. Then now you just need to solve it. Okay, then we solve it together, and then we check what's the answer we get it. So here it's 234 plus 421. Okay, so now let's solve together. How can we solve it? We are just going to start with the numbers. I'll start solving from the right side. Let's just add up these two numbers with each other. So here we're gonna add up first of all 4 and 1. So when you add up 4 plus that is 5. Okay, and then now add up these two numbers 3 plus 2, which is again 5. And now what's the next? That is 2 and 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is the way to solve that question. Okay, now let's do the next. I'm just going to write it down some bigger numbers here like 749 add up with 387. Okay, yeah, you have got the right answer from that. So here let's just solve 9 plus 7. Okay, I was checking my mic. Okay, now 9 plus 7. What's the answer of 9 plus 7? So tell me 9 plus 7. That is it's 16. Look at here the number 16. You are going to put the right side digit down and move the left side digit up as a carry. Okay, so 6 is moving down here and then 1 goes up as a carry. Now just gonna up this 1 with this 4 and that 8. So 1 plus 4 plus 8. So what's the answer you got it? So 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 8. What is the answer? So when we solve 5 plus 8, so the answer then we get, so which is 13. Okay, so look at here 13. 3 putting down and then again 1 goes up as a carry. Okay, 1 plus 7 plus 3. Okay, everyone solved the right. Very well done. 1 plus 7 that is 8 and 8 plus 3 which is 11. Okay, so here we're gonna put up 11. So is the answer that is 1136 and that is the answer we get it. All right, now let's do the next. So here are the different questions. Let's get start this one. I'm just choosing that one. Okay, now just choosing a random thing. 265, 565 add up with 697. So here when we solve it, what's the answer we get it? So now plus 7. What is the answer of 5 plus 7? That is 12. Okay, get here the 12. 2 you are going to put down here and 1 you're going to put as a carry. Okay, so here is 7 plus 5 which is 2. Always the right side digit we are going to put down and one side digit moving up. Understand? Now what is the answer of 1 plus 6 plus 9? When we are going to add up, so 1 plus 6 that is 7 and 7 plus 9 is, that is 16. Again you are going to put down the right side digit here and the left side digit move up as a carry. So 1 plus 6 plus 6. What is the answer? 1 plus 6 is 1, 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Check it out. No, this is not the answer 1162. It's 1262. Yeah, good. That is the right answer. Okay. This is the way to solve it. Hope you guys understand this lesson. Now let's just start the next lesson. Okay. So addition input output tables up to 3 digits. So let's get start this one. So here complete the table. So what is the rule? Rule is here add 100. What does it mean? It means that inputs are given. Like for example, these numbers are given. Let me just do it. This one as input numbers are given here. So how can we do it? We are just going to put down in the right side digit, like in place of outputs, you're going to add 100 in each of it. Like for example, if I'm going to write down here like example 231, 460, 730, 180. So they are saying that your rule is add 100. What does it mean? It means that you're going to add 100 in all of it. So 231 plus 100, which is 331. 460 plus 100, that is 3. 730 plus 100, that is 830. 80 plus 100, that is 1 to 80. Understand? These are all your inputs and these are your outputs. So for the outputs, we are going to add in each number 100. Understand? This is the way that these are the questions that we solve it like. these ways. Okay, like for example, if I'm going to write it here, some numbers, which is like for example, your inputs are it's here 10, then 20, then it's 30, then it's 40, and they are saying that add 5 in all of it. Okay, like you are going to adding 5, add 5. So what does it mean? It means that when you are going to add 5 in all of it, so 10 5, that's 15, 20 plus 5, that is 25, 30 plus 5, that is 35, 40 plus 5, Okay, now hello everyone. Yeah, it was there is trouble in the screen, that's why I just started again. So we discussed group 3 maths. This is the chapter. Already first chapter is covered. We are on second chapter. Okay. So what we discuss? We are going to discuss this one. So here is like it's add up three with all of it. Okay. Add three in all of it. So, we discussed group 3 maths. This is the chapter. Already first chapter. So in that one we are going to add up with add up 5 in all of it, like 10 plus 5, 20 plus 5, 30 plus 5, 40 plus 5. So let's just do the test. So look at here in this question, complete the table. Now the rule is here, add up 5, sorry, add up 100. In that one we are going to add up 3. Okay, I'm just checking my mic. So this is start from 0, then it's 204, 302, and then what comes next? The next digit is 412. You are going to add in all of it 100. So 0 plus 100, that is 100. 204 plus 100, that is 304. Then 302 plus 100, that is 402. 412 plus 100, and that is 512. Understand? This is the way that we solve it. Okay, here we are going to check it out like one by one in this way. So now this is the way to solve all these question like that way. Now let's do the test questions, some test questions for that. Yeah, everyone good. That is 304, 402. So now you all tell me the answer of this one. Here is complete the table, and the rule is here, add 100. So now you all tell me, add 100 now. Add 100. So everyone tell me, what is the answer? First one is 196, then it's 235, third is 574, and the fourth is 200. When you're going to add 100 in all of it, so you guys tell me, when you add up 196 with 100, what it becomes? 296. Am I right? So the first one here you put it 296. In that one, what you put, there is 235, that becomes 335. Okay, third one it's 574, then it becomes 674, and the fourth one is already given. So what option? One said it's option 2. Everyone tell me the options, everyone tell me the answers. Do it fast. I'm not putting. Everyone has the same answer like option 2? Everyone agree this one? Okay, so let's go with this option. 296, 335, 674, and here is the right answer. Very well done everyone. Okay. Okay, now you guys tell me the answer of this one. So the rule is here. Okay. Okay, so this is the right answer. Now let's do this one. Complete the table. So rule is here, add 100. So now tell me. Input is 586. Output is 86. And then it's 755, and then 518. So when you're going to add up 100, so what's the answer you got it? Tell me everyone. What's the answer you got it? Which option? Okay, one side it's 686, then 160, then 885 is given, and then 618. Option 1. Very well done. So let's go with this option, and here is the right answer. Okay, now let's discuss the next chapter. So solve the rest of the questions by yourself, you all right? So the next chapter is add two numbers up to three digits word problems. So here we're gonna add up two numbers up to three digits. These are the word problems. Okay, so now look at here the question. So in the first question, we are going to check the first one. A farmer needs to water a new potato field. To do so, he builds an irrigation system using 286 plastic pipes and 371 metal pipes. Okay, so how many pipes does he use? How much? First of all, 286. How, which pipe? Plastic pipes and 371 metal pipes. So let's get write it. 286 with 371. So here I'm going to write 286. Okay, so this is for 286 is for plastic pipe, and how much for the metal pipe? These are 371. Now let's just add up. You all guys solve this your notebook and then tell me the answer, everyone. Do you all have your notebook and pencil? Solve this question on your notebook and then tell me the answer here. Do it, everyone. Okay, so let's get started. I'll just solve it here and then you all guys solve it on your notebooks. So 6 plus 1, which is 7. 8 plus 7 is, that is 15, because 7 is 14, that is plus 1, which is 15. Here you're going to put 5 and 1 goes up as a carry. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3, what is the answer? 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. So here is my answer, which is 657. Okay, once I did 657. You all have the same answer? You all guys have the same answer? Check it out, please, everyone. Everyone check this. You all guys solve it on your notebook, then you are getting the same answer. When I solve it, my answer is this. Okay, let me just write some another question. Okay, this is 657. Now let's do the next question. For that, here I'm going to write it. Very well done. Everyone solved the same answer. Okay, let's do the next question. Okay, so Sage won an award because he wrote 135 popular songs. However, he also wrote 695 songs that were not popular. How many songs did Seth write? So we are going to add up all the songs. So that is 695 plus 135. Okay, 695 plus 135. Okay, now everyone solve this one. Do it. And then tell me the answer in the chat. Do it, everyone. Solve this question on your notebook and then tell me the answer. Everyone solve it. So when I solve, so I got the answer 5 plus 5, which is 10. So I just going to put it here 0, because the right side digit is 0, and 1 is putting on the top of this as a carry. Okay, now 1 plus 9 plus 3. So when you're going to solve 1 plus 9 plus 3, what's the answer? 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, So here you put it 3 and 1 goes as a carry again. Now 1 plus 6 plus 1, that is 8. Okay, because here again 3 putting down, because this is a right side digit and 1 goes up as a carry, so which is 1 plus 6 plus 1, that is 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 1 is 8. So here it becomes 830. Very good. You all have the same answer, 830. Everyone tell me you all have got the same answer. All right, good everyone. Okay, let's do some test questions. Okay, you guys solve it. Hurry up on your notebook and then just tell me the answer. I just put it here. Okay. So a scientist believes that there are 396 small parakeets and 305 large parakeets in a particular part of the rainforest. What is the total parakeet population there? So when you're going to add 396 and 305, let me just write it. 396 and 396 and 305. Add up. Okay, you all solve it and then tell me the answer. So everyone, so 6 plus 5 is 11, that is 1 here. 1 goes up. 1 plus 9, which is 10. 0 here. 1 up. 1 plus 3 plus 3, that is 7, which is 701. Let's check. Good, last option. Okay, good everyone. Okay, now you all solve this one. A treasure hunter discovered a buried treasure chest. He opened it up and discovered that it contained 201 diamonds and 414 rubies. So how many gems were in the chest? So 201 and 414. Let's add up 414. So here I'm going to write 414 and 201. When I go when I just add up both these numbers, the answer we got it 1 plus 4, which is 5. 1 plus 0, it's 1. 4 plus 2, it's 6. My answer is 615. Good. Okay, everyone is the same answer, 615. Option 1. Alright, now solve the rest of the questions by yourself, you all. Let's discuss the next lesson. So here we have done the first three lessons. Now let's do the fourth one. Complete the addition sentences up to 3 digits. So here we are going to compare the addition sentences up to 3 digits. Okay, so let's just do it with that. Like for example, we are just going to put some numbers here and then check it out. Okay, so this is 278 and plus 804. Okay, let's put it here. 78, then plus here are all missing numbers. And then the answer when you got it, that is 804. Okay, so look at here the method to solve it. What we do, we are just going to subtract. Okay, if you have a one line on the top and there is basically the answer is given, so you just subtract the answer from this number. In this way you are getting the answer of these three digits. So it is 804. So you are going to subtract 804 from 278. 278. Got it? So how can we subtract it out? As we know that 4 out of 8 is possible? No. We are taking carry from the 0, but there is 0. So the 0 take carry from 8, it becomes 10, 8 becomes 7. This 10 is now 4 is taking carry from 10, 10 becomes 9, and this 4 becomes 14. So now 14 minus 8, what's the answer? 14 minus 8. So 14 minus 8 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. This is the answer 526. When we're going to put 526 here, let's check. Okay, so here is 526. Let's add up, then check is that the same answer or not. This is 8 plus 6, which is 14. You're going to put 4 here. 1 goes up as a carry. 1 plus 7 plus 2. What is the answer? 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. You're going to put 0. 1 goes up as carry. 1 plus 2 plus it's 8. It means that this is the right answer. Okay. So let's solve the next. 6. Let's add up. Then check it out. Just checking my mark. Okay. So here is there are missing numbers than 110. Missing numbers. Okay. There is a missing numbers. Then it's 110. When you're getting add up, then you get the answer. The answer you got it, which is 981. So here is 981. So what we do? There is simple method, just subtraction. Okay. So when we are going to subtract, let me subtract it here. 981 minus 110. Okay. So here 1 minus 0 is 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. So here the answer is 8, 7 and 1. Let's check. 1 plus 0 is 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Yes, this is the answer of that question. Understand? What we do firstly in all these kind of questions, first of all we are going to check it out. If you have a questions, the missing numbers and then only one layer is given, like one, and the answer is given. So first of all you are going to subtract answer from that part, and then the thing which you are given, that is your basically this 871 is basically you are going to put it here. Okay, hope you guys understand this lesson. Now let's start the next. So let's just solve last lesson of the day, which is balanced addition equation up to 3 digits. Okay, So now here, if you have a questions like this way, what would you first? For example, if they are saying that balance the equation, okay, balance equation. So how can we solve it out? We are just going to solve it out like this way. For example, here are three digits which are given. Okay, let me just write it here. 29 plus 152, which is equals to mm, like any numbers we get it 271. What we do firstly, first of all, you are going to add these two numbers. So let's add up 290 with 152. What's the answer? It's 2. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. 442. When you're going to add these two numbers, then you're getting the answer 442. Okay, so in place of these two numbers, we are going to add 442. We're just going to write down 442. I'm just going to putting down 442. That is equals to 271 plus. So which number you are going to put it here, then you are going to have the same answer. The second step that you are going to take, you are just subtraction. Okay, you are subtracting 442 out of that other numbers 271. Let's check. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 out of 7 is possible? No, we're taking carry from 4. 4 becomes 3 and this 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So here when you put 171, this is the answer. This is 442. Just adding these two, 271 and 171. Okay, let me just add 271 plus 171. 1 plus 1 is 2, 7 plus 7 is 14, 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 4. Understand? This is the way to solve this question, and here we get the answer 442. And now both sides equations becomes same. So here what's the answer? 442. Understand this question, how to solve the balance equation? What we do firstly, first of all, we check it out both the sides. Like look at here, this side is basically two numbers here. Okay, then we're just simply just adding. After addition, we are subtracting this number from the other side number. Here we subtract and then the answer is 171. Then we're just going to put down this 171 here. Okay, now let's discuss the next questions for that. So if I'm going to write it here like 231 plus 721, which is equals to 470 plus. So what does it mean? It means that first of all you are going to add up 271 with 721. So after addition, what's the answer you got it? So just add up 271 from 231. So when I going to add here, the answer I got it, this is 721 plus 231. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 2 plus 3 is 5 and 7 plus 2 is 9. So here is 952. which is equals to 470 plus. So what we do now, we are just going to subtraction 952 out of that number. Okay, so when you are going to subtract 952 out of that number, what's the answer you got it? I just got it. Let me just check. Okay, now let's checking. 952 minus 470. Let's check. 952 minus 470. Let's subtraction. What's the answer you got it when you subtract? This becomes 2. 5 out of 7 is impossible. So what we do, we are going to just basically take carry from 9. So this becomes 15. So 15 plus minus 7, which is, what's the answer? 15 minus 7 is, what's the answer of 15 minus 7? Is it 8 or 7? So when you're going to take the carry from there, then it's become 15. Then you're subtracting 7. Here it's become, answer is 8. Okay. Now 9 is 8, 8 and 8 minus 4 is 4. So 482. So here when we put 482, let's check 952, and when you are going to add these two numbers, what's the answer is 2. 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15, 4 plus 4 is 8, and plus 1 is 9. So this is the answer that is same in both the sides. Got it? So how we solve it? First of all, what we do here, we are just going to simply check that, like 231 with 721. Okay, and then we are going to finding it out by using addition. We are checking by using addition. Okay, and then after adding, it becomes 952. Okay, 231 plus 721, this becomes 952, and on the other side it's 470. Then you are going to check it out by using this. So 231 plus 721 is 952. So subtract the answer from the other side, which is 470. Okay, after subtraction you get the answer 482. Here look, I just, first of all I just add up these two numbers, and then after subtraction, here is the answer 482. Okay, now you put 482 on that here, and after addition of these two digits, it means that both the sides have same answers. And when we see, so this is the balance equation. Now here the equation is balance. Okay, now you guys solve the rest of the test question by yourself. Okay, like look at the test question. The thing, first of all, you are going to add 565 and 293. Okay, after addition you are going to subtract from 190 and then just putting up the number here. All right, so today we discussed the grade 3 maths. Okay, and the lesson today we discussed all these three lessons, all these 5 lessons today we discussed. So hope you guys understand all the lessons. Look at here, these 5 lessons today we covered. Okay, add two numbers up to 3 digits to balance addition equation up to 3 digits. So before starting the next session, you guys make sure practice all these questions, and if you still need any help in any of the question, then you can contact tutors on Skype that are available Monday to Friday 5 to 9 p.m. So for now, have a good day, you all. Bye.